Zhibotong Electronics, a leading networking gear maker, committed to enabling any smart device, anywhere, enabling easy, secure and high-speed connectivity for any device, anywhere. Our products include Wi-Fi 7 5G router, Wi-Fi 6 5G router, Wi-Fi 5 5G router, multi-network aggregation 5G router, mesh router, 4G industrial router, vehicle router, outdoor router, and the OS cloud management platform. Can be simply assigned zero programming, rapid connectivity and data transfer. After 15 years of development, Zhibotong has a workforce of over 300 employees. It houses a production center spanning over 10,000 square meters. The company is certified to the ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 management system standards. Persistent pursuit of quality improvement through a craftsman's dedication. From product R&D through pre-shipment sampling inspection. From supplier selection to incoming inspection, material storage, and beyond. All undergo strict testing and multi-layered checks, pursuing lean production, ensuring products are compliant, eco-friendly, stable, and reliable. Providing stable signal, powerful performance, and effortless deployment. Zhibotong operates on a model that integrates production, education, and research. The company maintains a comprehensive system for marketing and after-sales service, now partners with China Unicom, China Mobile, China Telecom, CBN, Qualcomm, MediaTek, LG, Orange, Vodafone, AT&T, Verizon, Future Network Research Institute, and others. Our products are sold in over 40 countries and regions worldwide. The company serves a client base of over 50,000 worldwide. The company has shipped a cumulative total of tens of millions of units. With the advent of the Industry 4.0 and 5G era, the trend toward an interconnected and intelligent world is irreversible. The products are widely used in home networking, Internet of Vehicles, environmental monitoring, security surveillance, smart wearables, shared payments, telemedicine, water conservancy and hydropower, and other industries. Zhibotong will continue to focus on customer needs and invest in ongoing R&D. Through leading hardware, software technologies and comprehensive service systems, we continuously create value and drive industry progress. We work hand in hand with our partners to create a brighter future.